Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to withdraw USDT from OKX to your bank account. So we're going to open the OKX app. So right here in the main dashboard, we're going to click on P2P trading. We can find P2P trading here. So we're going to tap on it. And then this takes us to P2P. On this page, we have some options to make our transaction successful. For example, we can choose the currency we'd like to receive it into. Right here, we can switch from buy to sell. So we're going to toggle it to sell. And then here you could choose the currency. So we are having USDT, USDC, BTC, and Ethereum. So we're going to decide what we want to sell. Of course, we're talking about USDT. So we have USDT here. And here you can choose the amount you want to sell and enter. And then you could also select the payment method. And here in the payment method, you're going to scroll to choose the bank you want to receive the money into. And you could also decide to use the search option to type bank transfer. So we have bank transfer here. So we're going to select bank transfer and we're going to apply it. So right here we have payment methods and it's going to be bank transfer. We also have the amount and USDT. And right here you have the option to choose who you'd like to sell your USDT to. And this person is going to transfer the money into your bank account while you transfer the USDT into the person's crypto wallet. So all you need to do is to click on sell, and then here you could specify the volume you would like to sell. You can see the payment window, the maker of this transfer, the status of the buyer in order to get your cash into your bank while you send the USDT to the person's crypto wallet. So all you need to do is to follow the procedures here to sell USDT with zero fees if you want that, or you could add the fees. Another thing to remember, you could decide to use the quantity of USDT or you could swipe over to USD. But of course, since we're using USDT, you could decide to put 2 USDT. So this is what you need to do in order to have your USDT from OKX to your bank account.